Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to recover your World App account. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. So first step is to open up a World App and then click onto login. Now I'm fortunate enough to have my account details saved, but if you don't have your details saved, that's okay. Go ahead and click on the forgot password or something similar. Try account email or phone number used to sign up, and then simply go ahead and check your email addresses, or you might get a text code you might have used, including, so you go ahead and check spam, junk, promotions folder in your emails for a password reset link or recovery code. Now if you register with a phone number, go ahead and check your SMS for a verification code. Also look in any linked authenticator app as well. Now if you ever saved a recovery phrase seed backup code when you created the account, find it now and follow the app's restore account use recovery phase flow. Only enter that phrase inside the official World App. Then try signing in on another device as well, or the web version if World App has one. Sometimes a device specific cache or update blocks login. Now we might need to go ahead and update the app to the latest version, so just go ahead to your app or Play Store, search for World App and make sure that is up to date, then restart your phone.